inside.
Ah, natty natty.
No, everything change. You want?
Everyone change a new one?
Yeah, together.
Oh, you're gonna come to help?
They want one more. They want one more inside. They want no good. They want how much? How much working? Oh, working. Too much working. No.
Yeah.
Hey, no high. They working too much working.
Where she goes,
Inside
buddy?
they one.
No, too much money.
No, you want too much money? No.
Yeah, big time.
No, not too much. No. They were okay.
Nope.
They want too much working.
Oh yeah, but it's free.
I for whole black, let it go. I for you 115.
4 bricks?
Whole black. He 3 days cold. Cabbage. I for you whole black. Let it go. The whole black for you 115.
Oh my God.
I for you.
You'll build my whole truck?
That's why he lower. That's why lower. Not strong. That's why he okay.
Oh,
lower.
natty.
Lower. He not strong. Not strong. He broke. Brother, he not too much hand. I for you. He okay. That's I for you. Corporate. Maybe. 坏棒. I for you 115. You go cut. No cut. 3 days. Old. Oh.
No good? Yeah, seeping. Yeah.
I for you. You go cut it. Go.
Oh my God.
Go.
Is it moldy?
Go see. Big.
Natty.
He that's lower. Sold. He not strong. You see the okay. That one. My friend for me. I know. He that's for me. That's very good.
Natty?
Very. Just not strong. Not strong.
Yeah, weak.
Yeah, he not strong. He lower, not strong.
Natty.
Yeah. No, one people in my here car 4 days. He go today. They go. Or today.
No
go.
finish?
No.
No good.
No good. 180 1 day.
$180?
Yeah, 4 days between my here. We go.
Careful.
Huh.
Careful.
We go. 3 days. 3 days, no good.
I thought you were coming to help me with my dump truck, buddy.
Cold.
Is it starting to suck?
Water down cold, maybe. I for you. 4 black, put another one 4 black for you. You put the house, how much you pay? How much?
Oh, I know.
Too much money.
Yeah. Hey, how much?
You want?
Yeah.
No money for you.
Cakey?
No working.
No worky broken?
No, I don't know. I'm going to. I don't know.
Maybe Pissy. Maybe Pissy wants that.
Hey.
That one small one, 25. Oh my God! Oh my God!
Oh.
Look at the size of this guy. Look at him compared to my dart.
I don't know that one.
Oh, he loves Pats. He really loves Pats.
Hey, you today no car. I want to go there car. You today car.
You're okay. Stupid, too much. You threw him. Yeah, I'm bringing him home. There's some bees mean to him. He's my friend. People see me walking down the road like this, they think, oh, Pug one's finally lost her, boys. Oh, don't get on my meat. Try not to get me, buddy. Yeah. Okay, I'll leave you alone now. Fuck yeah, a couple industrial power washers and a hydraulic saw for free. The friggin' ball door motor on it. Friggin' ball door. Friggin' ball door on it. Sure. That's good. We're done, man. Much obliged. How muchy?
Huh?
How muchy?
How much? 200 for both?
Sure.
See that?
Sure.
You might be able to get some use out of it.
Yeah, maybe.
If you don't, the parts alone and the dies.
Yeah,
I don't know.
for sure. Alrighty. Stab her in there. I don't know.
How much weight can that take?
Oh, 14,000 pounds.
Oh,
Yeah. We might have to rearrange it now, though.
yeah.
Pull this out, and then we'll put the other shit in, and then we'll put this in after. All right, well, check out some of the stuff this guy gave me. This is like a Haskell friggin' liquid pump. Max air driven inlet, 100 psi. So that's pretty freaking cool. Probably sucks, you know, out of a barrel or something, or a pail, whatever, down here. Comes out there, put air in there, exhaust out there. I don't know what this one would be. Oh, look at that, it's a fox. Holy shit. Zero fox come to Inwood, boys. Did you see it? You mustn't be after the chickens. There was a zero fox in Inwood, boys. Where hims went? Look at all my shit. No wonder I got friggin' zero foxes wandering around. All I wanted was Jeff to help me clean this up, and instead he just friggin' destroyed the Donecker. Idiot! Yeah, that's kind of a little bit crazy how there's just zero foxes running around. Where hims went? I want to give him pats. He probably got the mange though. He looked pretty mangy, I think. Little scruffy mange fox a little bit. Huh, that's good. Great, now I can't even remember what I was doing. But yeah, a liquid pump, sort of like what I use for undercurtain, different things. And then I got, like, check this out. This is pretty awesome, even if you're not going to use it for a hydraulic hose cutter. It's just got like a sharp blade. Ooh, terrible sharp. You can just force the whatever into the guy there. But this side's got like a, you can't see right now, but it's got a wire wheel on this side, and it's a double-ended. It's a double-ended. You know what I mean? This is, I mean, that's a good engine. get a wire wheel on one side and a buffing disc on the other or something. That's a $600 fucking grinding wheel right there. But anyways, we got a couple of these bastards here too. This one's got a pretty heavy duty situation onto it. How many phases is it? Oh, it's a 5 horse. Oh dear, holy shit. Yeah, good 5 horse motor. I don't know, it's probably just 220. It's probably just like a welder plug. Probably. Just want to lasso it like a cowgirl. Basically. I'm like a friggin' professional hydraulic and Marmaduke putter on her guy, in case you were wondering. Need a fucking shear so that I can just like cut all my pieces.
Yeah.
Because like with a fucking angle grinder and the saw, it's like fucking laborious, terrible. A lot of work, fuck's sakes. I cut that mud flap asshole off and weld a new one on and fuck.
I didn't realize all those holes were in that.
Right?
Eh?
Yeah.
God.
Well, they've already rotted out, and then they've sistered on another hunk
Onto it.
right?
And
it's rotted out too.
Just didn't clean it, just stuck it over.
Yeah, exactly.
Right.
Once I get, some of the fucking crust
Turned out
knocked
to be
off.
a bigger job than you thought.
Oh yeah, big time.
A friggin' nightmare.
Yeah. It's not the end of the world, but fuck, I do have other shit that I'd like to fucking do, and winter's coming quick, and just sucking it back. Holy shit. I forgot anybody was coming. I come out in the driveway to fight.
What happened?
We got a fight now.
You got a fight?
Yeah.
Why? What's the trouble?
Trespassers.
Well, we're all fired up now. We came out because we thought there was trespassers.
Trespassers?
Can't waste all this adrenaline.
Well, we were going to park out front, but...
Do you want us to move?
Oh, you can park wherever you want. You can park where the wasps are.
Don't fling them at me. I don't
Hey,
like
fling them on Jim. You ever seen Jim flail and wail when he gets a wasp near him?
He was stung this week 3 times
You're lucky.
in one go.
Where?
Back of the neck, top of the ear, and right there.
Oh, nice. They're getting you?
It was Gord's fault.
Gord was doing the jackhammer, and they come after me.
Ah.
Underneath the bush, right beside the concrete. All of a sudden he's hammering away and this swarm just come flying out. So he dropped the gun and ran. And
Oh,
I did the old hi-ya. Didn't work.
Did you swell up or they're just wasps?
Oh, my ear, first couple of days I couldn't even sleep on the one side. But it's not bad now.
The wasps don't bother me too bad, but the bees, they get me and I swell up like a jack-o'-lantern.
You want some stuff?
Did you bring your old crackers?
What?
No.
What?
Your own what? Crackers?
I was just busting mother's sack. We should have a booch and go hang out by the dump truck.
So do you undercoat his vehicle?
Oh, he wants me to, but he's too dick to come when I'm undercoating, so I don't know. Something's wrong with his brain, you know what I mean? He's got wet brain or... So you never took any tablets or anything and got all wrecked on tablets somebody gave you ever?
Tablets?
Yeah.
Thanks, Tiffany. You're welcome. Thanks for the pushing.
I've been wrecked a couple times, but
Well, why were you so mad at me?
in my younger days.
Why are you so mad at me for doing it? You just giving me a hard time?
Yeah.
I was just having different experiences. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Right on.
Smoke cigarettes.
Yeah, I will, big time. Drive safe.
Drive safe.
What did we learn about wearing Tommies to Inwood?
Not to.
Even on Thanksgiving word. It's actually probably the worst time to wear your Tommies.
Because it's musty and dicked.
Yeah, because I'll be like, oh, there's more people here. We can get more shit done. Oh, that one's good. Here, hold on.
I'm pulling the bottom.
Oh shit, sorry. I didn't know what we were doing.
Yeah, we just gotta get it. Swing that side over. There you go. Oh. Careful, my Johnson. Hang on, Jim. Fuck. You're shutting the wrong door.
Shutting you in.
You're shutting the wrong door, Jim.
Oh fuck. You don't hear me? You deaf?
No, I don't pay any attention when you talk to him.
Buddy.
Oh, even one time something other than gibberish came out of your fucking mouth.
That's rude.
What?
It's rude.
Careful, let her go. Oh, shit.
We did it.
Ah!
Holy fucking shit. Why you did that to me?
Scare you?
Why?
Make you frightened?
Oh, I already got it. Okay, I gotta go.
Where are you going?
Go work.
What do you mean?
I gotta go.
No, we gotta take tires out. We'll just go dig a couple pallets out.
Buddy, I gotta go.
Where are you
Don't
going?
forget your shit. Oh, you already put in the car.
Yeah, okay. Okay, I go. Thanks for dinner.
Later. You're welcome. Thanks for coming.
Okay, smoke cigarettes, Jim.
Smoke cigarettes, buddy.
When you're looking at the picture, they don't, you know, you're like, oh, transport truck tires, right on. But yeah, that's a trailer load. They don't have another pallet, so here's where we are. I need another pallet. Put these son of a bitch on 24.5s. 275/80, 24.5s. So the tires aren't the best. So we'll need 2 drives and 4, or 4 drives and 2 steers. If anybody knows of a place with a good deal for it. And this Telegram nonsense in the comments there, that's you know, clearly not me. So don't blurge any of that nonsense too. I don't know what that's all about, but trying to get your informations or something. But yeah, it won't be some secret account that'll be letting you know you won different things, that's for sure. But anyways, boys, for again, smoke cigarettes.